welcome to Shimi's Dastarkhaan. Today I will be showing you a delicious and a healthy banana bread recipe with chocolate chips. It's so fluffy and moist that no one will suspect it's made with whole wheat flour and without sugar. So definitely give it a try. And if you enjoyed watching my video, do hit the like button, do share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified when I post my next video. So let's get started. Ingredients to make the moist and healthy banana bread. Here I took 2 ripe banana, 2 egg, half cup of olive oil. Instead of that, you can use coconut oil or vegetable oil. 1/3 cup of honey, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 1 3/4 cup of whole wheat flour, half cup of chocolate chip and handful of nuts. Preheat the oven at around 350 degree Fahrenheit or 180 degree centigrade. So first I'll mash up the banana with the help of a fork. Now set it aside. Now I'll sieve all the dry ingredients. So first goes the wheat flour, baking soda, baking powder, cinnamon, and then the salt. Whisk all of them. By sieving the dry mix, it helps in forming a smooth batter. Now set this aside. In a bowl, I took 2 eggs. Now beat the eggs well. Yes. Into that goes the oil. Then goes the honey. Combine everything well. Instead of honey, you can definitely add sugar as per your taste, but keeping it healthy, so I added honey. To this, I will be adding the milk and the vanilla extract. Now, whisk it all. Combine it well. It will take around 2 minutes. I'll add the banana. Mix it again. Now I'll add the flour mixture. Combine it all well. Don't add the flour mixture at one go. Incorporate all the flour well. Now add it again. Like this. Now I'll add little bit of nuts, little bit of chocolate chip, and leave the rest for topping. Combine. Pour the batter into a greased pan. Tap to release any air bubbles. You can sprinkle with some cinnamon, raw sugar, or like banana slices. It's totally optional, but I will be putting some nuts. Here I took some almonds and raisins. And then kids' favorite chocolate chip. It's ready to go inside the oven. Now bake the banana bread at 350 Fahrenheit or 180 centigrade for about 50 to 55 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. I checked after 50 to 55 minutes by inserting a toothpick at the center. It was a bit undercooked, so I gave 5 more minutes. It almost took 1 hour for the banana bread to be completely done. Now cool it for 10 more minutes before serving. Healthy, moist, freshly baked banana bread is out from the oven. Do give it a try. You can enjoy it at breakfast or as a snack. And if you enjoyed watching my video, do hit the like button, do share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified when I post my next video. So till then, bye.